So who is your role model? Let's go ahead and start from that then. When you looked up to somebody, Manish, when you decided that you're going to start a business, right? Do you look up to somebody back in 2010s?
I think when I just started, when I came back from US, I was looking up to all the big, Bill Gates and, Steve Jobs and all of that. But I think locally, Ujwal Thapa was one person I really looked up to, the founder of Vivek Shield and, group and all. And, Ashutosh, Tiwari, Suman, Shakya, they were like my role models because I felt like they were really ahead of their time. And for me, they were my advisor. Anytime I was, whenever I started any new thing, I would go up to them and ask them about, we're doing this. What do you think about it? And their opinion would be very valuable for me. And I think that was really helpful because as soon as they give an approval, I would have that confidence in saying, I think this is going to work.
Yeah.
So I think that really helped me when I was starting up.
Yeah, exactly, right? You do need role models. And now when we think about it, on digitally, people can go ahead and get access to anybody from the world. So they could listen to Jack Ma to Binod Chaudhary, they can go ahead and get access to anybody and everybody on today's date. So world has changed and we're right in the pinnacle of it. Thank you very much for all four of you for being here.
Thank you very much for watching us on YouTube. Make sure that you also listen to us on Spotify.